When wind turbine blades reach the end of their journey, recycling them is no easy feat. These blades are designed to endure extreme conditions, making them formidable to break down. Inside each blade, there's a complex mix of materials: sturdy fiberglass, traditional recycling methods fall short, but innovation is on the rise. Today, forward-thinking facilities are pioneering cutting-edge techniques to extract value from these materials and give these blades a second life. Fiberglass finds new purpose in various products, and resins can be converted to generate clean energy or broken down into their basic components. There's even talk of crafting new blades from the recovered materials. Some creative minds are exploring alternative paths, repurposing blades as functional infrastructure, stylish furniture, or captivating art installations. Nevertheless, recycling remains crucial for responsible waste management. Though the journey to perfect these processes and make them mainstream is ongoing, the future holds great promise for sustainable options. So, while it's a complex challenge, the dream of fully recycling wind turbine blades is on the horizon, a testament to our commitment to a greener, more sustainable world.